The fourth one is past perfect continuous tense. It is also called a past perfect progressive tense. The structure of a sentence in past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had plus been plus verb 1 plus ing form, and had is used for all the subjects. And if you see the basic sentences, I had been playing, we had been playing, you had been playing, you had been playing, he, she, it had been playing, they had been playing. These are all the basic structures of this tense. So this past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about the actions which began in the past, continued up to some point of time in the past, and was possible to continue further also in the past. And for such kind of actions we use past perfect continuous tense. And there are certain keywords like by yesterday, by last January, by last Friday, by last Sunday, by last Monday. These are all the key terms that are used in past perfect continuous tense. Let us take them in some examples. I had been teaching English for 15 years by last Sunday. So by last Sunday, I completed teaching English for 15 years. So I started the activity 15 years ago, I continued it for 15 years, and I ended after 15 years by last Sunday. By last Sunday it is 15 years. I may continue now also, but I completed 15 years by last Sunday, and this is the 16th year. And that is the situation that for that we have to use past perfect continuous tense. And the next sentence, we had been living in Hyderabad for 20 years by yesterday. By yesterday we completed living 20 years in Hyderabad. Today also we are living, but by yesterday 20 years completed, and that is the situation. And the next sentence, she had been dancing for 30 years by last summer, and by last summer she completed 30 years. This year also she is dancing, but by last summer she completed 30 years of duration. And the next sentence, we had been working here for 40 years by last Monday. So 40 years completed by last Monday. So past perfect continuous tense is used for all the actions that began some point of time in the past, continued up to some point of time in the past, and maybe continue further also. For such kind of situations we use past perfect continuous tense. And the structure of a sentence in past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had plus been plus verb 1 plus ing form.